kuma magetha ma mbembe ma mwaka uyu thirikari ni ranirire kugura mbembe ciothe iria arimi megwitikira kumienderia kuria riu eigite keheri ciringi bilioni 6 cia wira ucio.
Ladies and gentlemen, to boost food security and sustain affordable prices for maize flour, the government will buy under the Strategic Food Reserve all the maize offered for sale by our farmers during this 2017-18 season, and for this purpose, we have programmed to spend Kenya shillings 6 billion.
Mutongoria wa bururi icera-ini riake monanio-ini ma urimi guku Nairobi ni aniriire ngirimiti ya uiguano iria ikanirirwo ni thirikari na bengi ya Equity kuria arimi megukorwo makiamukira ngombo bengi-ini ino na muoroto wa kumahura njeki.
Make it easier for our farmers to secure credit, my government has signed a memorandum of understanding with Equity Bank, in which the government has agreed to underwrite to the tune of Kenya shillings 300 million, and the bank to lend Kenya shillings 20 billion at 12% interest rate per annum.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta no uma na ndeto njega kuri arimi anini.
And in partnership with IFAD is underwriting Kenya shillings 270 million to leverage Kenya shillings 1.6 billion to facilitate small-scale farmers to access credit.
Ino ni ndeto njega kuri arimi oriri makoretwo magomeirwo ni mathina kana moritu matiganite makiria wagi wa mbura na mimera yao kuriyo ni tutambi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.